In front of me is REDMI Pad Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Then use this icon of a paperclip and the photo at the bottom right corner, and look for your photos by tapping on one of those apps, selecting images at the top, or clicking on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. Either way, after locating your photo, or multiple, hold all of them and hit select at the top right corner to attach them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!